Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's tutorial will guide you through making a useful and functional grocery bag holder. We'll break it down into 4 main sections: the bottom, the body, the top, and the handle. Are you ready? Let's dive into the joy of crocheting together. Let's explore the materials and tools Yeezhee has thoughtfully included in our package. Here's what's inside. 3 skeins of yarn to crochet our grocery bag holder. Yeezhee designed this yarn specifically for beginners. It's resistant to splitting and is more durable, making it ideal for those just starting out. 2 metal rings to add structure to our project. Double-sided tape to create a better surface for securing the yarn. A 3.5 mm crochet hook with a Teflon-coated head for smooth stitching. A yarn needle for weaving in any excess yarns. Stitch markers, which are handy for marking your stitches. We've got this lovely greeting card for you to add a personal touch when gifting your project. And don't forget to have a pair of scissors handy. Okay, so the stitches used in this tutorial include the chain stitch. This is the foundation of almost every crochet project and is where we begin. Next is the single crochet. It's one of the most basic and versatile stitches, perfect for most crochet projects. The half double crochet is a stitch that's slightly taller than a single crochet, but shorter than a double crochet, making it great for creating thicker fabrics. Double crochet is a taller stitch, ideal for adding height to your work. Perfect for areas that need more dimension. A puff stitch adds texture and a bit of fluffiness. Great for making your project stand out. The slip stitch is used to join stitches, close rounds, or move your yarn to a different position without adding height, helping to create a polished and compact finish. If you find it hard to maintain consistent tension while crocheting, this guide will help you understand your tension and how to adjust it when needed. Let's take a look at these 3 swatches. They all use the same yarn, a 3.5mm hook, and the same stitch and row count, but the tension differs. Tension affects both the size and appearance of your work. Now, let's see how tension affects stitches. When you yarn over and pull through, watch the loop on your hook. Pull it higher, and the loop gets larger. Pull it tighter and it gets smaller. Starting with tight tension when the yarn is pulled tightly, the loop is smaller and closer to the stitch, making it harder to pull through. Creating tight stitches and a stiff fabric. Next, normal tension. The loop is at a medium height, moving smoothly on the hook. This gives you even stitches and a balanced fabric. Finally, loose tension. With loose tension, the loop is lifted higher, making it larger. Resulting in loose stitches and a softer fabric. These three swatches clearly show the impact of tension on your crochet work. If you notice uneven stitches while crocheting, it may be necessary to adjust your tension.